right? See how easy is that, right? This is nothing but the natural language query which will be helpful to understand your data set. The Power BI will clearly understand your data set and also the elements which is therein, right? Say for example, I wanted to get sales by my location, right? See the power of Power BI. It immediately gives me location as in the map, right? This will give the details, the location as a measure. It understand that this is nothing but a place in the city, in the world, right? And it gives the sales data by each of my location in the map, right? Say I don't want to see that as a map. Probably I wanted to see that as some matrix, right? See that immediately it gives me changing that element into matrix, right? Say for example, if I wanted to get as a bar chart, right? Probably as a bar chart. Now this is gives all of my location, right? Now what I can do is probably I don't want to see all my location. Probably I want to see only for one or two locations. Say for example, Dubai, right? And probably Abu Dhabi, right? Look at the power, right? You are just typing your natural language here. The Power BI immediately understand what my decision maker want, and it will quickly give the result in front of me, right? That's how the Power BI is connected. Yeah. The want to see here. Hello. Hope that mine is audible. Yeah. Hello. Okay. This is how the Power BI works connected. Yeah. You are creating a simple, nice chart and pinning that into your dashboard, and in the data sheet you are asking a natural language query, right? What is my sales by bar chart for my two cities, Dubai and Abu Dhabi? It immediately gives me the result, right? Probably I don't want to see that as for my location. Probably I want to see that as for my managers, right? See quickly, yeah? How does it gives, right? Say I don't want to see that as a bar chart. Probably I wanted to see that as a matrix. Look at here, yeah? Now this is how the completely the Power BI is understanding our natural language and immediately give me my results in front of me, right? And say for example, I have created by using this natural language query, I created a visual element here and click on pin visual and say pin here. What happens here is when you go to the dashboard, that gets automatically pinned down here, right? This is how it connectively work, and it understand our underlying data by using your natural query. you can create a different visual out of it, right? If you remember here, I have here for my card type, I have here my location type, I have my here category. But what I am creating here is nothing but by my manager, right? The the information by using my manager, right? Now what happens here is the even though the data elements or visual elements which is not available or not created earlier, but by using your natural query, it will immediately understand. Okay, it will immediately understand and give the result there itself. Yeah, this is how natural language is query is connected with the Power BI desktop, Power BI online service, right? With that, what we have done today here is how do we connect the data into a Power BI and creating Power BI visuals and to share that into my online users, right? Now, if I want to share here, click on this share dashboard button and click that into probably that you need to have a pro account to share the dashboards, right? Here we are using a sample account. You will not be able to share it, but this is how the Power BI workspace, the service which will automatically give a nice dashboard view, and that dashboard can be shareable to my colleagues. In terms of the workspace, along with the workspace, the data set is also get published so that the Power BI, when any organizational decision makers, if they are connected with the dashboard, by using their own natural language, they can create the different insights from the underlying data. That's all for today now. I hope that you all enjoyed today's session, right? Any queries or any clarifications, you could probably call or mail back to us so that we are very happy to clarify you. Thank you for your session today. I hope you all enjoyed today to understand the Power BI introduction and how does it gets work with the data and creating a nice visuals and then publish that into online. Thank you. Thank you for being with us.